Okay, today we started our day off quite late, and I haven't filmed much today, but give you a little bit of the on-deck pool stuff. Here's the belly flop contest happening. Take a look at that. They score the contestants via the audience. The audience holds up their hands. The cruise director goes around and says 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, etc. And makes up a score at the end to see who actually wins. It's a lot of fun, and it's a good audience participation. Marlene, what do you think?
I think he gets a 5.
What score?
5.
And while you're watching the second plunge here of the big belly flop contest, how about you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't? I'm trying to get to 20,000 at the end of the year. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button too. Hot tubs and pools are still pretty full. Sun's still shining, and people are enjoying the music, including me. Copyright strike coming up. A little later in the day here, things have calmed down, people are relaxing, just enjoying their last moments at sea. Let's walk down the Royal Promenade. It's quite quiet right now. People are busy. We're not. We're going to Playmakers for dinner. So, Royal Promenade is located on deck 5. Here is the next cruise, where you can book your next cruise, obviously. Look down there, you can see Playmakers down below. Another shop on the right here for shopping. Sugar Beach is where you can go in there and get tons and tons of candy, actually. Fill your sweet tooth desire in there. Right next to it is the ice cream bar. I think it used to be Ben & Jerry's. Don't think it is anymore. Nope. Then over there, the Cafe Promenade, where you get sandwiches, pizzas, coffees, teas, specialty coffees for purchase. And then there's a bridge right above us here. That's actually a watertight door that actually closes if there was emergency. There's a look back down the promenade. See how big it is. There's elevator shafts and atriums at both ends, along with guest services. And all these rooms you see in here, all these are rooms that look into the promenade. And there's a little love seat bench in the window. It's quite nice. This is inch of gold. It's standard for cruise lines. It's not real gold. It's plastic coated with gold stuff. And then an expensive shop, which you won't find me in. And lots of watches, actually. You need a watch. It's a good place to get it. Lots of jewelry. And on most Royal Caribbean ships, on the promenade, there's a car. They don't always have a teddy bear in them. And then right here on the right is Vintage's Wine Bar. Our favorite spots. It's nice when it's quiet. If it's a lot going on in the promenade, I find it's not the best place to sit. Another shop that's more of a perfume shop. And these stairs right here will walk you right down into the casino. Another jewelry shop. And across the way is the pub. Ale and Anchor Pub. Great live music in there at night. Usually have a soloist. Plays your hits that you want and request. All sorts of beer on tap. Lots of adult beverages. And I don't believe, at least I've never seen any snacks in there. You have indoor-outdoor seating. Well, I guess it's all indoor, but in the pub or outside the pub. There's a big bridge where you'll see the captain. One of those watertight doors that seal off part of the promenade. Over here you have the Coke Freestyle machines. Mix and match all your Coke products. right outside of Sorrento's Pizza, where they have a bar. Hi! And they also have a 24-hour pizza here. It's really good. Not the best pizza at sea, but very decent and fulfills that need, especially at night if you're up. And then let's go in here. It's the market. All sorts of sundries, items you may have forgot. Your alcohol purchases, duty-free, of course. And then sunglasses. Let's see what's over here. $50 items. Water bottles. And the water bottles are quite expensive.
Here's some water bottles. $26.95. $14.99. $14.49 per mug. What else we got? How much are keychains? $5.99, and the Royal keychain is $9.99. The metal water bottles are $24.99, and the cups are $22.99.
Actually, a lot of things are expensive. How much are these? Don't see a price. Oh, there it is. $60 US. Or that's about $90 Canadian. Stuff for the kiddies. Hats. More stuff for the kiddies. Let's look over here and get some sunscreen. Things if you forgot. After sun, in case you get a burn. Advil, Tylenol, all the medications you may have forgot. Toothbrushes, toothpaste, nuts and candy, more candy in case Sugar Beach wasn't good enough for you. Actually, they have some imported stuff like Toblerone, just past that. Let's flip-flops, cover-ups, sun bum. Oh, that's lip balm, right? With sunscreen. Hats are quite neat, actually. I like some of the hats. Depends on the prices, though. Sometimes they're quite expensive. This one is... how much does that say? Can't see it. $60 for a hoodie. $15 tables, always my favorite. Some decent glasses for $15. They were $15. Nothing's cheap. These are a little less expensive hats, I believe. And of course, all sorts of alcohol. Like I said, it's all duty free. Just be aware of what you're allowed to take back to your home country. And then this leads down to the main theater down below with one of the main atriums. And there's the Royal Theater, where we're going to see Grease, the musical, very shortly. Just going to go to Playmakers first to have some dinner. So, like we've done on a few of the Royal Caribbean cruises, we're coming down to Playmakers to have our last dinner. It's a a la carte menu. It's price per item. They have chicken wings, a lot of bar-type food. And we're here with friends, and we're going to have a good time. Let's see what they got on the menu tonight. And there's Jane. She's coming too. That's actually the Royal Promenade up there. So we're right below the Royal Promenade. Last night, it's a decent menu, decent pricing. It is additional charge, but it's not too bad. Good atmosphere. You're with friends. And we'll look at the menu here, and we'll go on with the night from that. What else do they have here? Yeah, definitely getting wings.
Cheaper to go to the casino.
Want wings? Yes, please. Anything else? Tower of onion rings. you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.